Hi there, my name is Vic Veer. I'm an ENT consultant working for the NHS in central London. What I want to do is tell you a little thing that you can do to try and avoid you having to sneeze. So if you're trying to avoid sneezing in a meeting or in a big lecture hall and you don't want to make any noise, if you feel a sneeze coming on, press very hard just here, just on your upper lip. Press hard against your upper teeth and press back until it slightly hurts. You'll notice that the sneeze will just disappear, or the feeling of the sneeze will just disappear and you won't want to sneeze anymore. And it's as simple as that. Hope you found that useful. Take care. Bye-bye.